Good morning. Welcome back. English Bal Bharti, class 5. Know your venue, know your topic, know your audience, know yourself, and finally, no fear. So, we have to understood the four important skill. Which are they? To listen, to speak, to read, to write. These are the four important skills in education. So, in the previous lesson, be a good listener. We have to understood that how to be a good listener. Now, we are going to learn the second skill to speak. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn that how to be a good speaker, the qualities of good speaker. Lesson number 11. Be a good speaker. We have to understood how to be a good speaker, and that is qualities of to be a good speaker. Lesson number 11. Be a good speaker. Some people are good speakers, some are shy. Some speak easily with their friends and relatives but became nervous in front of big audience. What about you? It is important to be able to speak well, and if you make up your mind, it is not very difficult to do so. See, some people who are a very good speaker, they can easily talk or mix up with their friends, relatives, and colleagues. But in the other hand, some people are shy. They cannot mix up and they cannot talk with the people so easily. Speaking is the one of the biggest fears that most people have, and it's an art as much as a science. But with some of tips, some practice, you can leave a lasting impressive that you will want people to be a remember. To become a good speaker, one must have a lot of confidence in himself, his content, and his ability to express a genuine smile on a charming effect. Looking in front of the audience while you are speaking, making a few eye contacts with the person, not shying always has an effect. That is the good quality of a good speaker. Now, next one. Remember these few things when you speak. Which thing we have to remember? Let's see. Speak clearly, don't mumble. Look at the person when you talk to them. You should not to be loud or too soft, too fast or too slow. Be polite and be pleasant. Give a thought to the other person's feeling and interest. See, this thing we have to always remember while we are talking with the person. Speak clearly that what you want to discuss or talk with the people, you have to speak it clearly. Don't mumble. It means a quiet or indistinct utterance. It is difficult to others hear or to listen. Look at the person or audience while you are speaking or talking with them. Your voice tone to be a proper sound, not to be very loud and not to be very soft. Your accent doesn't matter, but your tone does it. That is the single most important thing while speaking. You must know when the soft and when to be stern and when to be a jovial. It means you have to give the thought to the person's feeling that make your speaking is very interesting. You have to be a polite and be a pleasant while you are speaking or talking with someone. Okay, now next. When you take part in a discussion, when you are taking a part in discussion, which thing you have to follow? Don't keep talking all the time. Let others speak. Show interest in what others say and listen it carefully. When you agree with others or like their ideas, tell them that. Do share your own thoughts and ideas with others. If you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. Use polite words and expression when you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, or when you seek explanation and give them. See, discussion skill is useful for everyday life as we regularly found ourselves having a discussion among friends, family and colleagues. So what you have to do while we have to take a part in a discussion, that don't keep talking with yourself only. You have to let them talk to others. Take your turn. It is important that every person or everyone get a chance to speak if they want to. Don't interrupt other people while until they finish speaking. Slow and interest. Show your interest while other people speaking. Listen it carefully. Show that you are listening their speech. What you say? Concentrate actively on their speech, what they are saying. Get a feel of other to people requirements, ideas and preference. It means when you are agree with their ideas and opinion, you have to tell them you like it. Do share your own thoughts. You also suggest your own opinion, your own ideas to them. Listen it carefully and be ready with intervenes where necessary with your suggestion and questions also to get more information. Discussion can be an excellent strategy. You have to ask your question, your problems, that politely and silently. That is the important thing, that while you are discussing, that things you have to remember always. It means discussion can be an excellent strategy for enhancing student motivation, then fostering intellectual ability, encouraging demonstrate habits. They create the opportunity for the students to practice and sharpen the number of skill. It means from the discussion they can speak properly, and to be you have to develop your speaking ability, and that is the quality you have to develop how you can be a good speaker. Now next one. When you want to give a speech, so what you have to do for that? Plan your speech in advance. Note the points and arrange them properly. Rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. That is very important. In school level we are conducted the speech competition. That why? Because Students have to develop their speaking ability in front of audience, in front of people. They have to be a good speaker. So what you have to do? Practice in a noisy room. You have to do a more practice for your speech. Entrance, audio and visuals. Then focus on your topic. Make it attractive. Your topic should be very attractive and proper. You have to plan what you have to speak, which is your topic. All points you have to note down in your book. Then you have to arrange the point properly, which point you have to discuss first one and which one discuss afterwards. That you have to plan all that speech. Then rehearse the speech. You have to rehearse the speech in front of mirror in your home. Or then how you have to be a good speaker, which line you have to speak loudly, which you have to speak very slowly. That toning, intonation is very important while you are giving the speech in front of audience. That points you have to discuss with your parents or with your teachers. You have to be ready what you have to give the speech. Okay, now once again we understood to be a good speaker, prepare yourself, look at the audience, stay on topic, speak in complete sentence, speak clearly and audibly, include important facts and descriptive details, answer questions. These are the qualities of being a good speaker. I hope do you all understood the qualities and important facts that to be a good speaker. Okay, in the next time in school competition, I thought that all students take a part in that competition because all are be a good speaker. Okay, let's see in the next lecture. Thank you.